At Mun Siong Engineering, we take pride in delivering excellence under pressure. During the turnaround, our specialists completed over 12,000 welding joints and replaced 5,800 U-tubes, all within just 15 days. With 10 men per shift working around the clock, we kept our clients' operations on schedule. Among the projects was one of the largest heat exchangers we've retubed and welded, measuring 2.5 meters in diameter and 9 meters in length. Whether it's U-tube or straight tube designs, Mun Siong Engineering provides end-to-end retubing solutions that keep your heat exchangers performing at their best. From tube removal and installation to precision welding, tube end expansion, and hydrotesting, every step is executed with strict safety checks and uncompromising standards. Transporting of massive heat exchangers is handled with care, using heavy machinery, secure stoppers, and multiple safety verifications. With certifications from ASME and NBBI, we meet the world's highest benchmarks for quality, safety, and durability. At Mun Siong, we don't just build equipment, we build trust. Because we understand that in high-pressure environments, reliability isn't optional, it's everything.